My video is about removing the adware type software called LogManager. LogManager is the adware from the adload family. This particular LogManager adware, once installed, starts displaying a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So, this adware may also cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. In case this LogManager was installed to your computer, be sure to get rid of it. Access your application, find this application and move it to the trash. I recommend you to additionally research the computer with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching this system.
After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.